Introduce highlight features or overview summary for KEOKLE Portable Pressure Washer Cordless with Tank 4.5 gallons. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Car cleaning, saves me time, it allows me to wash my car with ease at home. Fill the bucket, foam it up, and rinse. My whole car is clean in about 15 minutes. After use, just fold it up and put it in the trunk. It doesn't take up any space at all. Grill and outdoor cleaning. It can work continuously for 1 hour. Perfect for cleaning greasy barbecues. I also take it camping. It can rinse off stains and mud from things like plates, tables, RVs, and even picnic mats. With 5 types of nozzles, it's portable yet powerful. Yard cleaning. Backyard cleaning is effortless now. Cordless, no heavy machine, just the built-in bucket and strong 750 psi pressure. Tiles, chairs, grills, pots, mats, railings, all done fast. Even as a homemaker, I can easily handle yard cleaning tasks. KEOKLE Portable Pressure Washer. With a 4.5 gallons water tank, 750 psi pressure, and 1 hour of run time, perfect for everyday cleaning. It includes 5 nozzles and a foam sprayer, making stain removal effortless. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.